somewhat dramatic fashion, Hamilton County's prosecutor served the city of Cincinnati with a subpoena. Joe Deters issued the subpoena for the entire investigation, including all interviews, videos, and photos.
We will be complying with that subpoena, and therefore those records are not available for the presentation this morning.
It's been 3 weeks since Kyle Plush called 911 from the back of his minivan, where he was pinned underneath the third row seat. Police briefed Kyle's family on the internal investigation yesterday. But last night, Prosecutor Joe Deters said they brought concerns to him about some of the video that would be released, showing students walking past Kyle's van.
They were worried that these kids would feel guilty that they couldn't find Kyle because they were so close. And you can he said you can see their faces, and we have not seen that yet.
Deters says his office also hasn't seen a report from the sheriff's office. An off-duty deputy working a traffic detail had also looked for Kyle's van that day.
There's nothing nefarious about it, and there's no criminal targets or anything. We just want to make sure we know exactly what happened before I talk to the family early next week.
2 Cincinnati police officers were dispatched to Seven Hills School the day Kyle called 911. The original dispatch was for a woman stuck in a van, possibly in the thrift store parking lot. Information from Kyle's second 911 call was never passed along to the officers. The 911 call taker said she couldn't hear him. The Plush family telling council members they want change.
The message that I get from them is that they want the 911 call center fixed, and that they want to make sure that this doesn't impact any other family member.
Joe Deters says his office's review should be finished early next week. He said the Plushes also have more questions, and he hopes to get answers for them. The Law and Public Safety Committee meeting on that internal investigation would be held late next week at the earliest. Rob.
And Jeanette, thanks very much. Joe Deters says one 911 program could have made all the difference in Kyle Plush's situation.